I don't think he's with you. I think he's just there.
You're getting closer.
Go, pass him. Pass
My friend.
Let's go.
him. Die, Oslo.
He can die.
Those flashes just gets you, man.
Yeah, dude.
Especially with the sound.
Monster, that's scary stuff.
Is the flashing?
Yeah.
Leave me alone. And then if I look backwards, I'm gonna see.
Okay, if this was multiplayer, it would be a lot funner because it would be a group of us.
You know it is multiplayer?
Is it?
Yeah, it's online. Yeah, it's only online.
Oh. Like if we were gonna play right now together.
Like local? Yeah.
Cross it.
Oh, you can't cross it.
It's gonna put.
Oh my god. That's a run! You're gonna die!
Look at the floor. Look at the floor. This statue there. Run away. Go back to the river lake. God.
Oh jeez.
Why would you just let me pass the keys?
You recording too?
Yep. Oh yeah, like that's good.
I'm like a minute away from you. Go like watch the game. Oh, they mine's more darker than yours.
I gotta turn slowly.
Oh, it is.
Dude, you go in circles. No, go.
Dude, that's went away.
Right. Right.
I'm getting the reactions.
Yeah, you're back to Go right.
Hey, look.
Oh, you want to cross that? Yeah, that's. I guess that's the only way.
Let's go this way, everyone.
Let's take the other way.
Wrong way.
That's so fun.
Look, you're back where you started.
Yeah, it does look like it.
I'll take the left. That's not good. You're back where you started.
Does your light run out?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, literally, it's almost dying.
Oh.
Where'd that tree come from? You see, bro?
Trees are everywhere.
Dude, there's another one.
There could be a tape recorder near there. No, you have to hear it.
I looked at this one already.
Yeah.
Yep. There is one.
Go forward. No, you can't go in there. You can't go in the buildings.
Oh crap.
Oh jeez, that's a
Oh my gosh.
that was scared me.
I thought he'd be cooler and run away when I look back again. And then pop up when I turn back.
You done? I'm still going. Got like 3 minutes of this.
Oh, you hear that? You hear that?
It's the radio. Are you sure? No, it looks like he's back to work. So back to where he's trying to get. Hey, your flashlight's coming back.
Could turn it off, Pasta. I do turn off, but I can save the batteries.
Who was it? Already been there already. That's one of the first places you go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, keep going straight.
Was it me or was it getting
Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
There we go. There's the holes there.
What?
Hey, are you recording?
What? Yeah, I'm recording. Right now I'm at almost like 4 minutes.
Where's the kid?
Do you hear it?
No, but it should be here.
Keep going.
There's something important because there's statues.
Just because the statues are important.
Don't look.
Look behind you. I want to
Every
see.
time you look behind you, it comes out.
Oh, go in there. Go in there. Go in there.
Why would you go in?
Go in there. Go in there. Go
That's
in there.
even creepier, man.
The worst idea ever.
What if it's in there?
I know,
No,
right?
it's not in there. It's not in there.
You liar.
Go out that door. Turn around. Or not turn around, but turn left.
Here. You hear that? You make me feel
No,
retarded.
it's the monster doing that screen.
You sure?
Yeah.
What? There's nothing.
Oh, you have to hear it. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah.
Stupid.
So it's not there.
it?
Dang, it's like 5 minutes
leave,
already.
Leave
No.
that place.
Oh, that thing we're done.